So today I am going to show you how we can close any open file in through automation. Suppose what could be the use case? Suppose you downloaded a file in automation and you open that file and you verify some content, and then after that you are closing that file before logout. To close that file, or there is one more use case that I remember, it's very helpful. Like suppose before deleting a file from a particular folder where you have downloaded, you have to close that file, otherwise file will not be deleted, right? So this case is also very useful in such case. So here how we can close these files, let's see. So right now I have created this method as a test case, but you can create this method in a utility class, okay? Or you can make a separate methods for different files. Okay, so in Java, there is a runtime get runtime.exe that we will use in the dot execute. In this, we will pass the command to execute. So this command task kill /forward IM is same, but only you have to change this thing. This is the process name. So if this process name is not correct, then your file will not be closed. So from where we will get these process name. So let me first open these two files. Okay. And let me show you the task manager. So once you open the task manager, it looks like this. So you do not need to capture this name. This is not the process name. Go to the details. This is details. Click here, go up. Here you will see the process name. This is the process name, acrobat.exe. And the for Excel, this is excel.exe. So let's go to the code. In the code, we have to mention acrobat.exe or excel.exe. Here the thing that you have to remember or should be uh, correct. This extension should be correct as mentioned in the task manager. It is in a small letter .exe, it is in capital letters .exe. If you go to task manager for Excel, it is in capital letters. In Acrobat, it is in small letters. But this name, could be in small letters and capital letter, doesn't matter. Okay, so if you mention like this, your files will be closed. Let me run this code. See, files has been closed. If you go to the task manager also, there is no Acrobat, there is no Excel. Okay, this is in Java. Let's come to the C sharp. First let me open both the files again. Okay, let me go to the C sharp. So this is the C sharp code. In the C sharp, there is a process class. This process class comes from system.diagnostic. Okay, and in the process class, there is a method get process by name. In the get process by name, you have to pass only the process name, not the extension. If you pass the extension, it will not going to close your files. Okay, and there is a for each loop. It will check all the files open for the Acrobat process, so it will close all the PDF files. Like this, you can mention as many as files, methods to kill them. Okay, so let me run this code. See, both the files has been closed. This is an Acrobat and this is an Excel. And it is not there. So like this, you can kill the open files, and this is very helpful. And that is done from my side. If you have any queries, you can mention the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And thank you.